Welcome back to my channel. On today's video I am going to be showing you how to recreate this look which I created for Carnival. It was inspired by my little sister who basically was like, I want a Carnival look, so I was playing with different looks and this is what we came up with together. So if you want to figure out how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel so you can see more. But without further ado, let's get on to the video. Before I get started, I'm going to prime my face. And before I even prime, I'm going to use some of the e.l.f. skincare just because I love it, and I don't know if you've tried it. I wrote about it on my blog. This in particular, it like turns to water. I don't know if you'd be able to see, but like when you do this, it like literally turns to water. It's so hydrating. I love the smell, so I'm just going to put some of that on my face. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Soothing Face Primer. It's actually a new one of theirs. It's really, really nice on the skin. Next, I'm going to use the Revolution Liquid Highlighter. There we go. This one is like a rose gold and it's really, really, really nice. I actually think, oh no, it's actually liquid luster gold. It's not even rose gold one. But if you're gonna be like going to the Carnival, you kind of want to make your face really, really extra glowy, so I like to put like extra drops just here where I actually like my highlight to really stand out. Still and correct, not conceal and define, in Banana on my eyes because I like to use it as a prime. I use more of a patting motion than a sweeping motion when I'm doing my base, just to make sure any excess wet product is actually neutralizing. So next I'm gonna work in some nutmeg along the crease. Next, I am going to go in with Isle of Spice. It's pretty much just underneath where I went with nutmeg, using exactly the same brush. I'm going to pick up Waterfall to put on my lid. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go into the shade Moonlight. What you do is take the brush that you use to do like your crease and everything, and you probably won't even need any more product, you can just blend it. brushwork brushes, by the way. I really like the shape of them. The good thing is they have little holdall bits, so if you're close up doing detailing you can. So I'm just gonna align my eyes and pop on some lashes off camera because you know how to do that. So the lashes I used are called Noir and they're really pretty. They are Kiss lashes. So I've just got them on now. Okay, so time for the quick part. Okay, what I like to do is grab some of the powder on my brush and then I take the brush and I mix it. What it will do is it will make the foundation slightly thicker, so if you have something you want to cover like this, it will go. It means you use less foundation as well, and also you don't waste time concealing. Obviously if your skin is quite prone to breaking out, you may not want to copy me. My skin used to be prone to breaking out. I do heavily use mineral foundation and powder when I do this during the day, but for Carnival you're going to want to have full coverage and you're not going to want to wear too much, so this is a great way to do the two. And also for anyone that really struggles getting a colour match concealer, then this is the way that you can conceal. So I don't really need much concealing, as you can tell. You can really see the glow from the highlight through my foundation, but I am going to take the e.l.f. Concealer in medium, and I am just gonna make sure I don't need any concealing, really. And as well, I'm going to use it just to highlight my nose. Do you like that? Just my Cupid's bow a little bit here. Okay, so next up I'm going to take the banana setting powder, which is from Bella Pierre. This one, it's really nice. What I really like about the Bella Pierre powder is for some reason it's slightly warmer, so it just doesn't give off that same kind of banana feel. I only really do a mild bake, so So now I'm going to add a little bit of mermaid sparkle to my face, and to do that I'm going to use the MUA Prism highlighter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop on some of the Gypsy Shine Jewels onto my eyes. For lips, I'm going to use the Lime Crime Diamond Crusher in Trick. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and until the next video, bye!